satellite station reduction to center. Let me explain what is the meaning of satellite station.
This is the example is I am taking here, that is Taj Mahal, the top of the tower or top of the Taj Mahal. This pair I am selecting the one of the stations of a triangulation survey. So in this condition, it is not possible to set up your instrument on the top of the Taj Mahal here. Just observe here. Okay, this is our Taj Mahal. If you consider the one of the triangulation station on the top of the Taj Mahal or top of the spire, in this condition it is not possible to set up your instrument here. So with that condition, we are selecting the one more station nearer to the Taj Mahal here. So this station will act as a satellite stations. Just observe here. Here I am selecting the station A, B and C. Just observe here. There are three triangulation stations are there, A, B and C. Here B station is on the top of the Taj Mahal. In that condition, if you creating the triangulation, it is not possible to measure the readings on the station B because of it is not possible to set up your instrument on the Taj Mahal. In that condition, we are selecting the one more station nearer to the B, that is S station. So this will be act as a satellite stations. From this S station, again joining all the lines with respect to A, B and C, by observing with respect to observations from the S station towards the station A, C and B. By using these readings, you can calculate the readings on the station B.
Coming to the derivation, I am selecting the same positions of the triangulation stations as well as the satellite station what we discussed in the previous video. In same as it is, A, B, C are the three main triangulation stations. S is the satellite station, and angle beta 1 it is at the position of A between the B and S. Similarly, angle beta 2 it is the SCB. Then this is theta and this one is gamma. Here we can measure the distance between the main station to the satellite station. That distance is small d. So we have to derive what is the equation for finding out the alpha value. The meeting of these two lines at one point. This point here noted at it is O, and sides of the triangulation survey it is A, B, C. Here I am considering the triangle A, B, C. Applying the sine rule. Here I am finding the small a and small c. Okay, this is the sine rule for this triangle BC divided by opposite of the angle CAB. Similarly, AC divided by opposite opposite of sine of the opposite angle is B, and last AB opposite angle is C. So for here I am considering the, here just assume that here B is known distances. So in that condition we have to select these two equations. By selecting these two equations you can find out the BC or small a, that is equal to B into sine of the angle CAB divided by sine of the angle ABC. Similarly, we can find out the small c, that is equal to B sine of angle ACB divided by sine of angle ABC. So in this triangle, you can assume that the whatever the angle of ABC, that is alpha, it is equal to 180 degree minus of angle A minus of angle C. Next we are considering the triangle ABS. Here we have to find out the what is the formula for the beta 1 or sine of the angle beta 1. Again applying the sine rule here. So this is the sine rule for this triangle ABCS. Here I am considering this equation to the equal to this equation. Depending upon the given conditions, we have to select this equation equal to this equation or this equation equal to this equation. But simplification of this one, I am selecting this equation to this equation. So sine of beta 1 is equal to, that is sine of SAB, that is equal to BS into sine of ASB divided by AB. Put up all the values, that is sine beta 1 is equal to BS means it is small d, ASB means what? ASB is a combination of theta and gamma here. So sine of theta plus gamma divided by small c, that is AB, it is small c. Similarly, one more triangle considering the CBS. Again here also the aim of this one is considering this one, find out the sine of angle beta 2. For here this is the sine rule. Here I am considering this equation to this equation. Depending upon the condition, you can select any one, this to this or this to this one. So sine of beta 2, that is SCB, I am writing here beta 2, that is equal to BS into sine of BSC divided by BC. Put up the with respect to values, sine beta 2 is equal to BS means again small d. Here BSC is BSC angle is gamma. So I have written here gamma divided by BC is distance of the denominator as a small a. So this is our formula for sine of beta 2 is equal to d into sine of gamma divided by a. Since beta 1 and beta 2 are extremely small, we can write sine beta 1 is equal to beta 1. Similarly, sine beta 2 is equal to beta 2. Because compared to beta 1 and beta 2 angle, with the theta and gamma angles, it is very small. So that's why you can write these two equation like this. But the whatever the beta 1 and beta 2 values, these are in radians. So our formula will be beta 1 is equal to, it is beta 1 value is in terms of seconds, it is equal to d sine theta plus gamma divided by a. It is multiplying by this constant value. Similarly, our beta 2 formula will be like this. Again, beta 2 value is in seconds. This is our formula. These are the constant values because converting the radians to in terms of seconds. So in that condition, you have to multiply the with respect to this constant value. The constant value will be calculated by like this. Last step of the derivation, that is finding the alpha value. Again, same diagram I am presenting here. So here the angle ABC, that is equal to alpha value, that is equal to angle AOC minus of beta 2. This angle minus of beta 2, we are getting this formula. Then similarly I am considering the angle AOC is equal to beta 1 plus theta minus of beta 2. The final value alpha is equal to theta plus beta 1 minus beta 2. Then we have to discuss the how it is alpha value is equal to angle AOC minus of beta 2. Just observe here in this angle. Okay, this angle. Suppose this is a straight line. The angle from this side to this side, it is 180 degree. Suppose this angle is angle O or angle AOC. So this angle should be 180 minus of this much of angle. So angle BOC is equal to 180 minus of angle AOC. Now in this triangle BOC triangle, we have to find out the angle alpha here. Alpha is nothing but equal to 180 minus of this much angle plus this much of angle. So I have written here. So finally alpha value is equal to angle AOC minus of beta 2. Now coming to the discussion of what is the value of angle AOC. Just observe here. Here I am taking directly, it is angle AOC is equal to beta 1 plus theta. How it is equal to directly beta 1 plus theta. Again same concept. In this triangle, the angle of this angle is equal to 180 minus of this angle plus this angle. It is angle AOS. It is equal to 180 minus of beta 1 plus theta. So whatever the angle of this one is equal to beta 1 plus theta. So directly I am written here. So in the first case, alpha value is equal to theta plus beta 1 minus beta 2. Similarly, depending upon the positions of the satellite station, yes, maybe it will be right side of the main station or left side of the main station or above this one of the main station or below of the main station or east side, west side, north side and south side. In that case condition, the alpha value will be changes. The remaining beta 1 and beta 2 will be same depending upon the conditions in given data in the diagram. The beta 1 and beta 2 value will be changes. For this derivation, we are taking the beta 1 and beta 2 value will be same. So we discuss about the what is the alpha value for the with respect to different positions. Observe here, this is of case 1. As you know that we discussed the first derivation, previous derivation. Main station is here. It is left side of the satellite station is there. In that condition, alpha value will be theta plus beta 1 minus beta 2. For second case, whatever the second S2 station or satellite station, it is right up the B station. Here, main station, triangulation station is here. The right side of this main station, the satellite station is considered here. So in that condition, this is beta 1, beta 2, theta is here, gamma is here. So in that condition, alpha value will be theta minus beta 1 plus beta 2. Similarly, the third case, it is towards the north or just above the main station. So in this condition, with respect to beta 1, beta 2, theta and alpha value are there. So here alpha is equal to theta plus beta 1 minus beta 2. And last case, it is south side. In that condition, alpha value will be theta plus beta 1 plus beta 2. Problems on the satellite stations. First problem. Here the satellite station is 12.25 meter from the west side of the main station B. The following angles are there measured, that is angle BSC and CSA. Similarly, they have mentioned that the station S and C are the opposite sides of the line AB. Calculate the correct angle of ABC if length of AB and BC are the this much respectively. So first start with the solution of this problem with the drawing of this diagram. After reading this problem, you must come to know that the whatever satellite station is the left side of the main station B. So here this problem is related to the case 1. Okay, this is the diagram. Then after that drawing of this one, you have to write down the with respect to notations on the diagram. Then write down the with respect to given data. Here they have given the measure the angle BSC, that is BSC, that is equal to gamma. Write down the with respect to value. Similarly, angle CSA, that is theta, this much of angle. Similarly, they have given the two distances, that is AB, A to B, that is C, small c. Similarly, they have given the BC distance, that is A. The whatever the A is here, it is actually it is here. So A is equal to this much. Then last BS, the distance between the main station and satellite station, that is 12.25 meter, that is noted as a small t. So solving of this one, first we have to find out the beta 1 and beta 2. Then later we have to find out the alpha value. Okay, here the whatever derivations are there, same formula will be applying for beta 1 and beta 2 because we know the distance of this one and this one. So beta 1 or beta 2 is equal to, the formula will be d into sine gamma plus theta divided by c multiplied by this constant. This will be help the whatever the beta 2 will be in terms of seconds. Put up all the values, then simplify this one. We are getting this much of value in seconds. Now converting this value into minutes by dividing the 60. We are getting this much of value, that is 0 degree 6 minutes 0.92 seconds. Similarly, we have to calculate the beta 1. This is the formula, or this is the constant for the value will be in terms of seconds. Again put up all the values. We are getting this much of value in terms of seconds. Then converting into minutes by dividing the 60. We are getting this much of beta 1 value. And last, the correct angle, that is alpha, that is ABC. In the first case, the alpha value will be theta plus beta 1 minus beta 2. Put up all the values and simplify this one. We are getting the alpha value will be 54 degree 30 minutes 2.94 seconds. Second problem. Here they are triangulation station B. It is not possible for the set up the instrument at station B. So they have taken the one satellite station, that is S. Here it is the positions of the satellite station is due south. It means what? It is the below of your main station B. Similarly, they have given that the distance between your main station as well as a satellite station is 12.2 meter apart. Similarly, they have observed two angles. One angle is ASP and BSC. With respect to values of these are two are there. Then similarly again they have measured the two more angles, that is CAB and ACB. These are the values with respect to. The side AC was computed. They have measured this much of value. So you have to calculate what is the angle of ABC, that is your alpha. Second problem. Just observe the diagram. In the problem they have mentioned that your satellite station is south side of the main station. So this is the reference diagram. These are the main triangulation stations A, B, C, and this is your satellite station. As per the diagram, here I am considering the beta 1 and here it is beta 2, and with respect to gamma is here and theta is here. So we have to find out the alpha. So first we have to note down the what are the given data are given in the problem. So here they have given the angle CAB, that is CAB. This was angle, that is this much of is there. Similarly, they have given the angle ACB, and again they have given the length of the BS, that is B2S, it is 12.2 meters. Similarly, they have given the angle ASB, angle ASB. Similarly, they have given the angle BSC. Then they have given the only one length of the sides, that is AC. So that is this one V, that is this much of is. This is also in terms of meters. So for solving of this problem, already we know that what is the value of the or formula of the beta 1 as well as a beta 2. If you calculate the beta 1, beta 2, it is easy to calculate the alpha here for this distance. This is the fourth case. So here for calculation of beta 1, it is required the sides of this triangles, that is these sides. Similarly, for calculation of beta 2, it is required for the sides of these triangles. But in this problem, they are given only one side, that is AC. So if you apply the sine rule for the triangle ABS, this is the formula. So if you consider these two equations, it is required the distance of AB. So that's why it is not possible to apply directly sine rule for this triangle for a calculation of beta. Similarly, again for second triangle, that is BSC, for calculation of beta 2, and here also the distance of the sides is unknown. Only this distance is we know that is 12.2 meters. So again, considering these two equations for solving of the beta 2, again it is not possible here. So that's why just observe here triangle ABC. Here we know that these two angles, angle A and angle C, these are the two angles. So we can easily calculate the how much of this angle. If you know that all of three angles, you can easily calculate this side length of this side and this length of this side by using applying the sine rule, because we know the length of this side. So same diagram I am drawn here. So first calculate the angle ABC by applying the triangulation. So if we are getting the angle ABC is equal to 60 degree 15 minutes 22 seconds approximately. Now we have to calculate the length of AB and BC applying the sine rule for this triangle. So this is the triangle, sorry, this is the sine rule. So AB is equal to AC into sine ACB divided by sine of ABC. Put up the with respect to values, we will get this much of length. Similarly, again calculate the BC. Put up all the values like this, then you will get the length of BC is it in terms of meter. If you know these two sides, now we can calculate the beta 1 and beta 2 by applying the sine rule for this triangle. So triangle ABS, actual apply sine rule formula is sine beta 1 is equal to BS into sine of ASB divided by sine of AB. So beta 1 is extremely small as you discuss in the derivation. So our formula will be beta 1 is equal to sine ASB divided by AB into BS into this constant value. It is for converting the radian to seconds. Put up the respective values, you will get this much of answers. It is in terms of seconds. For converting the seconds to minutes, so this value divided by 60, we are getting this much of value in terms of minutes and seconds. Similarly, again we have to calculate the triangle ACBS. Again applying the sine rule for that triangle. Then your beta 2 formula will be Vs into sine BSC divided by BC into constant. Put up the all the values. Again you are getting the beta 2 in terms of seconds, convert into minutes by dividing the 60. We are getting the 4 minutes 56 seconds. Then last step, it is angle ABC, that is alpha is equal to, for the case 4, alpha is equal to angle ASC plus beta 1 plus beta 2. So here ASC means what? It is the angle ASB plus BSC. So ASC plus beta 1 plus beta 2. We are getting the alpha value. So here alpha is equal to 60 degree. Put up all the values. They are given these are the given in the problem. These are the we have calculated beta 1 and beta 2. Now we are getting the alpha value is equal to 60 degree 15 minutes 31.45 seconds. This is your answer.